How to increase or decrease system vibration intensity on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, either the S series, A series or M series, and you want to increase or decrease your Samsung system vibration intensity, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to increase or decrease the system vibration intensity on Samsung series, any of the series, just go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung. On the settings page, you want to scroll down the page and click on Sounds and Vibration. Once you selected Sounds and Vibration, scroll down the Sounds and Vibration page and locate System Vibration. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you selected System Vibration, then you have access to the System Vibration Intensity. Here you can easily increase or decrease the vibration intensity, or click on like this, or drag it backward to reduce it. So that's going to decrease the system vibration intensity, or drag it forward to increase to the barest maximum. So that is basically how you can easily manage by increasing or decreasing the system vibration intensity on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.